What is going on, everybody? CRK here, and I'm finally back at you with another video. I know it's been a huge amount of time, and I appreciate everybody who is still subscribed to this channel. I've got a really special roll for you here. I know it doesn't look like much, it's a single roll, but trust me, bear with me. We're gonna get right into this, and it's gonna be a great roll. I hope you guys enjoy this. Again, I know I've been gone for a while, but I'm back now, and let's actually get right into it. The top 2 or 3 coins that you see here are not going to be part of the roll. They're just other coins that I found with this roll, and they were all actually in the same kind of, I wish they weren't, but they were in a plastic bag together, and I felt it was special to add these coins, not only because of my heritage and background, but because of what I think they could have possibly played a role in, which was kind of changing or toning these coins in here. And without further ado, I'll kind of let you guess what you see here. And if most of you did not know, I'm not going to show you the entire roll yet. I'll leave that one there so you can keep guessing. But if most of you did not know yet, I'm pretty sure a majority of you don't, I am actually Mexican American. So this is these are really cool coins. I've probably been collecting these since I was a kid. I know there's not much intrinsic value for for many collectors to keep these. One of the cool things I did see recently, I added it on my shorts, was not on the gold 10 pieces, I think, but on they have like the 5, the 2, the 1, and then I think they might have made a different one. But if you line those all up, they're all smaller, and they all kind of add up to the Aztec calendar. But enough about these coins, because again, they're not really in the greatest condition, nothing too special about them. What I did want to share with you is what I think they might have done to the other coins, or what all of these coins together would have done to themselves. So this I want to say is from when I first started coin roll hunting, and these would have been picks from a box. Of course, I didn't find this like this. This was just everything I decided to keep. So I'm pretty sure 95% of you guys can guess this. I'll just say 90% of you guys can guess this. Just a little pun there. What this is, and these are all going to be 90%ers or 40%ers. So you guys take a look at these. Now, what I wanted to share with you is something interesting that has happened to the coins. Specifically, this one starts off the odd trend. I'm going to zoom in a little here so you can see. It starts off the odd trend as to where the coin that was not necessarily touching the other ones has not really oxidized in such a way, and this could have possibly been upside down. So let's take a look and see at this first one to see if this other side, yeah, so you see this other side is really nice. Some of these coins did shift when I pulled them out. I was so excited to look at them. So that's what I'm assuming happened, is that this was facing this way, which is why there's no kind of toning or damage to that coin, and that was as such. And somehow this happened. Now, I don't know if this was just rubbing. I don't know if this will come out. And really cool ender piece here. For those that don't know, this is a Colombian half dollar, as it appears on the bottom here. And I want to say this is from the late 1800s. So kind of a cool ender there. Imagine if you found that on the end. And I wish I could find the videos of me actually finding these in coin roll hunts. They're very memorable coin roll hunts, because those were kind of I want to say right around 2014, 2013, around there is when I started coin roll hunting. And back in those days, I would actually pick up, maybe if I could, if the bank had it, if they'd order it for me, anywhere from 2 to maybe 8 boxes. Sometimes it was 8 or 10 boxes. It was pretty insane that banks would be able to order half dollars for me as such. But I wish I could find those videos and really share those with you guys. I'm going to see if I can check my check my phone to see if I have any of those. Backside on this as well. I never cleaned any of these coins because by then I knew better. But this would have been the condition that I found it in. Columbian Exposition up at the top. Of course, you have Christopher Columbus's ship there. I don't know. I was really bad at history, but I don't know if that was the Mayflower. I almost called it the Mayweather. I don't know if that was the Mayflower as well, though. So I could be wrong, but pretty interesting there. World's Columbian Exposition, Chicago. So from 1492, 1893 here. So apparently 1492 is when they were doing that exposition, right? 1893 is when this coin was minted. And if you ask me, it's actually still got really nice detail for a coin that was minted, 130 something years ago. I don't know. I'm just kind of late. I don't really feel like doing the math. But yeah, I mean the strike on this ship is pretty cool. I'm just taking a little more time on this coin because I know a lot of you haven't seen it. So super cool detailing. It is definitely beat up. It is beat to, all else. But still cool. A cool find. 50 cents, right? You can't go wrong with this. It is a $50 in silver content, minted in 1893, and I literally paid a $50 for it. So not something that happens very often. All right, moving right along. I don't know. I might have reorganized these because this is another cool one here. We've got a Benji in here. We've got a 52 Benji, of course. Same dealio. It is beat to all, heck. It's almost kind of cool, the toning on here. I don't know. It's insane. I was gonna not wear gloves, but I'm glad I did because I still have to take my contacts off later. And this coin is pretty gnarly. So I'm not sure if this one might have spent time in water. What do you guys think? I'm going to try to zoom out to see if I can get some better angles of it. I don't think so, but yeah, I don't know what could have happened to this. Again, it could very well be the time it spent together here. As you can see, man, I don't know. I really tried not to peek at these coins. I wanted to be an honest review of everything that's going on, but I'm like, man, this is insane. Let's see. Let me see that one that was kind of bad. Yeah, see, it doesn't look as bad. I don't know why this looks like it's coppering, like it's kind of got that copper effect. I don't know if this has copper in it or not, or what the case may be, but all right, let's move along. I didn't really do research on dates because I wasn't prepared, first of all, but I also didn't want to go through the entire thing and kind of ruin what's there. Whoa, look at that. That definitely changes up, right? So yeah, same deal on this one, but this one looks more of like a copper. I'm starting to feel like this one and this one were like best buds over here because that's almost, it's looking like the same kind of paste on there. Oh, check out that cool toning on the edge. Man, I really wish this didn't have this really gnarly like green striping through it. I don't know. It is what it is, really. It's sometimes it's improper storage. Sometimes it could have been anything else. It could have been the weather. It could have been the transition to this new home in the new state. By the way, I am now in a different state, and we'll leave it at that. Man, I really do like that undertoning there. I wonder if somehow, man, I don't know. This one's kind of beat up. If anybody's ever watching this, even if you're a year or two later you're watching this, let me know if you think I should clean this off. I really don't like to clean coins, but it's like at this point, does it even matter? If you can try to, I've seen people do it with Q-tip and a little bit of nail polish remover. I think that's a coin help for you. I think he's done that before, where you do it real soft with the Q-tip and you just nail polish remover. I guess it's acetone. I don't know what it is. You can kind of take away some of the things. Maybe get that rainbow toning or that kind of outer edge toning to brighten up a little bit more. It's not like I'm not considering sending this coin into PCGS or whatever. It's not a coin that's like, wow, let me send this off for grading. All right, so far we've got 2 Benjis and 1 Columbo. I'm going to call him Columbo because whatever. All right, 1964 on this one, so of course we've got 90%. Same deal. It is, it's really, the toning is kind of odd. It's not really, it's not like a monster rainbow toning or nothing cool. Again, it's probably just part of the elements. I want to know what these kind of little scratches are and stuff like that are, but 90% here. Got our first Kennedy. And again, this is the culmination of many boxes. The only time I really struck out, and I think I found like maybe $10 or $15 worth of silver in 1 or 2 boxes, was probably like 1 or 2 boxes ever. I think I can recollect those memories being about twice. And again, I was happy that those times I was able to share those memories with my parents. But this one here, 69, look at this. This is pretty neat. So yeah, don't think that all of these were all just like picked up out of one box. That's not what I'm trying to say. This is just something that, again, is probably just a few boxes worth. On average, I think I would find, on average, if it was a decent box, I'd probably find 3 to 7, 3 to 6, 3 to 7. Man, this side looks really nice, actually. Still nice and, lusty. I like the luster on here. I'm probably going to be using a bunch of words wrong because I'm a little tired, but I'm having fun. It's actually been a really long time since I've recorded a video, so I'm really happy to be here with you guys. We're finally pretty much settled into the new house. There's still, not tons to do, but a decent amount of work to do. Most of the major remodels are done, and most of the boxes are unpacked. But believe it or not, I just set up my desk today, my coin desk. I just set this up today. That's why I was really excited to record. Kind of odd toning over here as well. Kind of, I don't know what's going on here. Kind of fishy, but again, they were all just kind of sealed together, right? So yeah, I was really happy to record and get this all set up. This isn't really like the layout you're used to. I don't know if I'm going to keep it like this. We'll kind of see. Let's see what the response is. Again, I know it's kind of we're pushing about 12 minutes or so. I'll probably do just a few more, try to get to halfway, maybe like to this one or something. Leave the other half for maybe a part 2. I didn't realize I'd be talking so much. I thought I'd be able to blow through these in 10 to 15 minutes. But again, if you're still here, I appreciate it. It's been quite a while. This one is a what, 66, so 40% are there. And I believe so was that one, and that's 69, so was that. So we've only got 140 Kennedy, 90% Kennedy, 90, 90, 90, and then those would all be 40%ers. All right, looks like we got another one. I've always been intrigued by this like master ring that just hits all the coins. I don't know if that's just some of the coin processing centers. No one's really ever gotten back to me on that. Interesting on this one that it is supposed to be 40% silver, but it's looking kind of sus on here. I don't know if that's copper or other metals that have collided and given it more or less that kind of copper gold look to it. That looks almost like gold. I wish that was gold. That'd be so cool. 1966, 40%er here. All right, let's throw that in the 40%er pile. I zoomed in, so it's kind of hard to see them all. All right, let's see another 69 here. Same kind of deal almost, where it's just kind of scratching. Now on the back side is pretty interesting. It's got more of a frosty silver finish with the letters. That's kind of cool how the letters pop out a little. This one probably definitely like slid across something, or it probably just rubbed a lot on the other coins. But looks like, let's see, should we do one more? I think we'll do one more. That's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We will do one more for old time's sakes, and then that'll get us back to where we need to be for our last one. So let's do it. 1967, here it is, last and not least, but the 40%er as well on this one. This one's same deal. It's got some, I don't know if that's toning or if it's just dirty or what, someone's dirty hands. Got some lettuce and tomato on there or something, I don't know. almost looks like this has been cleaned before because you've got some kind of toning around the edges of the eagle. I don't know if you guys can see that there, but it looks like it was cleaned and then improperly cleaned, because you can see some of the, like where they clean it and then they miss all of these spots here in the feathers. You've got a spot that's missing there on that that kind of runs across to the U up here and up there and by the eagle's head. So yeah, it definitely looks like a coin that at some point might have been cleaned up. This would probably, there'd be no reason ever to clean this, but that where is it? I think it was this one, yeah. This Benji's looking pretty cool. I think I'm gonna have to, I don't know. Leave it in the comments if you think I should clean this up and you know, see what happens. Worst case scenario, this almost looks like a coin that's been underwater or something crazy. I don't know. It's definitely beaten up, so there's pretty much probably no saving it. It's got a huge kind of gnash there, like a little grab. You've got scratches everywhere. You know, everything's kind of fading. The rim is fading here. And again, this isn't a coin that would really, I don't think it would warrant any kind of grading. So if there's anything special about the 52 Philly, I think this is, because I don't see a mint mark anywhere. But if there's anything special about this, definitely let me know. It looks like a coin that sat in someone's fish tank or something. I don't know. Pretty cool though. So I'd like to see if I can get some of that toning out of this coin. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was this one. But let me know what you guys think. Again, I am glad to be back. We've got half of this roll to go through next time. We're going to cut it here, and hope you guys have a good night. Peace.